Is it just me, or are you guys feeling a bit seasick too? Oh, looking at that rocking boat's making me feel queasy. All right, we're going to finish off this title page by making our pirates go up and the other words appear, scratchy. So let's get to it. So let's continue with our pirates. What we want it to do is we want it to move. At the moment, it's at -50. We want it to go up to 0. It's probably, yeah, the middle of the screen. So the way we do this is it's similar to what we're doing here with this if. We need to make another if statement, and we're going to say if our, and this one here, we're going to be looking at up and down. So remember, left and right here is X, up and down was Y. We're going to look at the Y. So we're going to go motion. We're going to say if our Y position is less than, let's make it -1 because we want it to go to, if it's less than -1, no, let's say if it's less than 0. If our Y position is less than 0, we want it to keep moving up until it gets to 0, basically. So it's going to move up all the way to 0. If our Y position is less than 0, change our Y. We want it to move up. So we're going to go here. We're going to change our Y. We want our Y to go up. So it's going to go get bigger, basically. So we're going to change our Y by 10. 10 might be too much, though. So let's see. If we put this in here, let's see what that does. Okay, it goes straight to the top, you can see there. It didn't go up at all. So let's change that by a number like, let's say 0.5. Let's see what that looks like. That's pretty good. It's pretty smooth. We changed that by 0.5. I'm actually pretty happy with that. Let me go, look at that. It goes up, and it's quite smooth there. And yeah, I'm happy with that. And that's that one sorted, you know, like if Y position is less than 0, change Y by 0.5. Awesome. One more time. Nice. Okay. So now what we're going to do is we're going to have the word appear up here, which says scratchy. So let's put that word in there. Whoops, not that one. We want to make sure that we paint it. So we're going to go here, paint, go to here. We're going to write the word, convert to bitmap, write the word scratchy. Scratchy, we'll make it a bit bigger than what it is. Let's drag that. That's too big, I think. Let me see. I'm going to make it smaller than that. Scratchy, about that size. It's the same color. It's still a bit too big. There we go. And I'm going to make this yellow, really bright yellow. Scratchy. See what that looks like. Can we read it? Scratchy pirates. Yeah, put it up a little bit. Scratchy pirates. How's that? Scratchy pirates. Okay, so this here, it's going to, I'm just going to click try again here while we're doing. We're going to have to wait till this pirate gets to the top, and then we're going to have to do that. So that's a bit tricky. So we're going to learn something new with that. So we're going to go here, and what's going to happen is we want this to happen all the way when we get to the end. So yeah, that's a bit tricky. How are we going to know when it's finished? Well, we're going to know it's finished when the Y position gets to 0 or the text size gets to 100. Kind of, does one happen before the other? I think. Is it moving up still? No. So the size seems to be the thing which is finished. So what we're going to do is we're going to say when this text size, when that gets to 100, that means it's going to be finished. All right. So what we're going to do is we're going to use something that's the same as this. Okay. Well, similar to this actually. And what we're going to do is we're going to say wait until and what, no, I want to use just this here. So I'm going to drag this out and we're going to duplicate this. Duplicate. Oh no, that's less than 100. That's not going to work for us. Actually, what we're going to have to do is we're going to say equals. What we're going to do is we're going to say wait until text size equals 100. There we go. Wait until text size equals 100. So when it equals 100, we know that's going to finish that animation. Okay, and then what we're going to do, actually, let's put that on a start. So when start flag, so when we click the start flag, it's going to keep waiting until text size equals 100, and then it's going to do the code that's after this. All right, so the code that's after this is we're going to use a thing called broadcast. Okay, so what broadcast does is it'll say a message. So it'll wait, and then it'll broadcast a message. And this one, I'm just going to click on new message, and I'm going to call this one go. All right, so what's going to happen is it's going to wait, and when this gets to 100, it's going to say go. A secret little message it's going to send. It's going to say go. And what that's going to do is in here, we're going to put something that's going to pick up on that message. Okay, so we've done that. When this gets to 100, it's going to say go. And then in here, what we're going to do is we're going to say when I receive go. This one here, whoops, where's it gone? So it's in events, and it says here, when I receive go. Where is it? There it is there. When I receive go, we could change this to whatever broadcaster is, but at the moment we've only got one, which is go, which is good. That's the one we're looking for. So when I receive go, then I want it to appear and make the sound. But what we need to do is we need to make sure this is hidden first, because we don't want people to see it at the beginning. It's going to appear. So when we start this, we want to make sure that it starts in the right place as usual. So we're going to say go to wherever it is at the right place, minus 141, 41, yep. And we want it to hide. We don't want people to see it. We want it to hide. Okay, so there we go. Go to minus 141 and 41 and then hide. So when we click flag, boom. Oh, what's happening? So when we click the start flag, actually I'm going to hide it first. All right, so when we click the start flag, it's going to hide that, and our pirates is going to pop up. And then when it gets to the end, it's going to say go in the background, and this is going to hear the go. It's going to say when I receive go, when I hear that go sound, then we want it to appear. So we go to our looks again, and we say show, and so we go play, try again, play. Oh, my internet's gone down. Here it goes. And now it shows. That's great. Now what we want it to do is we want it to make a sound. So where's our sounds? Here we go, sound. We're going to say play the sound pop. Now in sounds we can change the sounds here. It's got pop. I like the sound pop. Pop. So I'm going to keep it at pop. And so we're going to play the sound pop until it's done. Okay, and you'll see there's a little bit of a problem that happens when this happens, but we'll fix that. There you go, click play. Oh, there it goes. It does it once. Oh no, that's fantastic. No problem. So we don't need to add a fix to it. And that is our brilliant. That is our animation. So if you've got it to this point, well done. You have started your adventures of pirate animation, and now we just have to continue the story. Good job, guys.